Okay, let's look at wellness. Today, awareness, a digital detox strategies for professionals like you. So your phone buzzes, your inbox fills, suddenly your brain feels fried, fatigue. So let's talk about digital detox strategies that actually work. It has worked for me and few of my friends, and it will also work for you. For instance, notification control. You turn off non-essential alerts during deep work hours. Again, you may have a screen-free zones. You create some spaces in your home where devices aren't allowed. Again, tech-free. It's very important, text-free rituals. So text-free rituals are situations and instances that you replace late night scrolling through your journal or reading or meditation. So these few and short considerations will help your digital detox. It's not just about abandoning tech entirely, no, it's about reclaiming your focus and peace of mind. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to Impact HR.